Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how you can use ANOVA to compare the multiple means in our population, which it means in our original data set. So we need to compare whether the people with college degree or not, they will have the same hourly wages or not, okay? So what we need to do first, this is our original data set with 2,242 observations. And then we need to select two columns. The first one will be college graduates, and then another one will be our wages, okay? So using these two columns, and then you can just copy and paste, okay? So copy, Control C, and then using paste, okay? So here you will see we just transfer these two columns into a new worksheet. And then in this new worksheet, we need to first sort the data. So we sort the data by college graduates from the smallest to largest. So it will rearrange this data, these two columns. The first part will shows the college degree, the college graduates just equal 0, which means the survey people do not have college degree. And then it will followed by the college degree. Here you can see the college graduates equal 1. Okay, so when it become 1, which means now this person will have college degree. And then in this data set, we just put two columns. Okay, the first one will be non-college graduate, and another column will be college graduate. Okay, so we need to transfer those wages for the people without a college degree. We need to copy those data first. It will take a little bit longer time because you need to select those numbers correctly and cautiously, okay? So just wait a little bit longer here. Then we need to select those data. Almost. So we need to select those data, okay? Because those data wages will be the people without a college degree, and then hit Control C. Once you hit Control C, you will just transfer those data into non-college graduate, put Control V, okay? So copy, paste. Then we also need to do the similar things for the college graduates, okay? So for college graduates, we need to select those people, okay? With college graduates, we need to transfer their wages into our new created column. Because in ANOVA, this is what we have to do. Almost done. Okay, so here just transfer, copy, paste, okay? And then you use copy, paste. So here you just transfer those wages into college graduates. Now we have two columns, right? Here we have two columns. And then once we have these two columns, we need to select it, okay? We need to select the data analyze. ANOVA, single factor, hit OK. But we need to change this. We need to select our data from, we need to select those data, okay? So those are the data we need to select it. So you need to put those data into this ANOVA single factor selection. I think we're until this part, okay? And then you just hit OK because we use columns, and then the alpha here will be our significance level at 0.05, 95% significance level, and then hit OK. So once you hit OK, you can see we create the new ANOVA table. So the column 1 here is actually our non-college graduates, right? And then the second column will be our college graduate. And you will see we will have 1,714 people without college graduates, and their average hourly wage will be 6.9 per hour. And for college graduates, we have 533 observations, and the average will be $10.52. Okay, so here in this ANOVA, first we will need to create our non-hypothesis. Okay, the non-hypothesis here will be, I will just make it a little bit larger for the font. Okay, so non-hypothesis. The non-hypothesis will be people with, there is no difference in average hourly wages between college graduates and non-college graduates. Okay, between college graduates and non-college graduates. Okay, so non-college graduates. And then you can see in this ANOVA, we will have the p-value. This p-value will be very small. It will be, you can see is E, which means it will be E like negative power to 38, which was almost equal to 0. So from this ANOVA table, we have this p-value here, the p-value less than 0.05, which means we can definitely reject this non-hypothesis and have the conclusion, actually people with college degree and non-college degree, they will have very different hourly wages. Thank you so much.